Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain the assignment 1 of data structure and algorithm comp 254. The first question is describe an algorithm for concatenating two singly linked lists. So in Eclipse program, I'll go to the linked list, single linked list, and concatenate methods. So here is my concatenate method. Will take two parameters, single list 1 and single list 2. We declare a temporary linked list to store the two linked lists L and M, and we use a condition to check if any of them empty or not. The first condition is the first linked is empty. If empty, we'll go to check the second one. If also empty, we'll return a message both are empty, there are no element to concatenate, and the size will be 0, return size 0. Second condition, first linked list is empty and second is not. So in this case, we'll make the head refer to the second head and the tail to the second tail, and the size same as the second. The third condition, first list is not empty and second is empty. In this case, the head will refer to the first linked list head and tail to the first, and size will be the same as the first one. Last condition, both are not empty. Head, in this case, head will refer to the first head and the tail will refer to the second head. Will make the tail of the first head, first link, refer to the head of the second linked list, and tail will refer to the second tail, and size will be in this case sum of the two linked list. End of the concatenate method. So if we go to the main to execute the code, so we declare two lists and the concatenating two lists. We add some elements to the first list and some to the second list. So also print the elements in the first and second, and here we use a concatenate to concatenate two lists and print the elements in the result, and same the size. So okay, here is the elements in the first, and size is 4, and second, and the size of the second, and here is my method. So concatenate the two lists and give me the size. If for example we add some other element, then we execute, save, so same result. Second question, let's go to the doubly linked list. Second question is, give an implementation of the size method for the doubly linked lists class. Assume that we didn't maintain size as an instance variable. So in this case, we create a count list method, so we pass a parameter linked list to the method, and we define a top to store the head of the linked list, and declare an integer to store the size of the linked list, doubly linked list. We use if check to check if the size is, if the linked list is empty. If yes, will return 0 for the size. If not, we use a loop to go through the doubly linked list to reach the tail. Inside the loop, we increase the counter, and we go to the second node. When we reach the null, that means the tail, we will finish the loop while and return the count. Also, we execute this in the main program. We add 3 or 4 elements, and we use the list, the counter count list to of this list to know the size. So okay, 1 2 3 4, and the size is for the count of the nodes inside the linked linked list is 4. If we same as the first one, add some elements, some nodes, and execute it. So now we are count will be 5. So if we add other, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Thank you for listening. I hope my voice is good in this video. See you. Bye.